So I wrote The Young Photographer to give every aspiring creator the tools to capture professional photos, no matter the subject or the environment. I've got 4 Medaka fish arriving in my outdoor pond today, and I'm going to try and attempt 4 of my challenges for my book. Today, I'm stepping from behind the pages to create the ultimate high-stakes test. If my techniques are as good as I know they are, this should be a breeze. But knowing how fast these fish are, it could be a disaster. So this is book to action, and I'm starting right now. So here, we're going to be finding something blue. So we'll be hunting for blue tones in the water and the environment. We are going to be going for something weird and wacky. We have a colour hunting challenge where I'm going to search for detail and harmony. The finale, we are going to be going with different perspectives. High angle, low angle, and a tilt. Mission 1, blue. I'm looking for reflections or natural elements that bring out those cool tones. It's all about training the eye to find the palette in a busy environment. Exactly what I wrote about in these pages. Mission 2, wacky. Nature is never boring. I'm waiting for that one moment, a splash, a ripple, or a weird shadow that stands out. These are the shots that prove why I included this challenge. Mission 3, the colour hunt. Red, blue, green, yellow. I'm setting the goal to find all 4 in one frame. It's a great way to push my composition skills to the limit. Final mission, perspectives. I'm not just taking a standard shot, I'm testing a high angle to flatten the scene and track the fish, and a tilt, a Dutch angle, to add real energy. Let's see if my own techniques can make a simple backyard pond look like a professional nature documentary. Writing this book was one thing, but applying it to the real world is a test for any creator. And if you want to buy your own copy of The Young Photographers and follow along, you can buy on Amazon. The link is in the description. So hit subscribe so you don't miss the results, and let's see what I can create. I'll see you in the next one.